a farm visit to the nearby farm area on a spring evening. It was nice, warm, and you can see it's quite sunny. It's very nice to see these beautiful young ones running towards us and enjoying the sun. You can see the cows standing in a line to enter the milking parlor. It was very nice to see their behavior, standing one after the other. We can just see the milking parlor now. So the cows enter this place and they are milked. It was a unique one to watch, and after milking they come here and enjoy their feast, standing in a very well-mannered line and enjoying their food. And it was very unique to see names for the cows mentioned here. And after the farm visit, we just entered the farm shop where fresh farm produce are kept. This shop, these type of shops doesn't have a shopkeeper. Fresh breads, jams, mostly everything homemade here, and the fresh produce from the farm, they are sold here. We can just pick up whatever we want, and the prices mentioned there. These are fresh farm produce from the farm nearby. The farmers sell them directly to the public. So whatever we take, we can weigh it and measure it, and we pay on our own. These are homemade cakes kept for sale, and delicious ice creams, yogurt too. Thank you. Bye.